It was a 3 series. Yeah, in 3 different episodes. And today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Still analyzing Asante Kotoko in the month of October. My catcher said, you hear players on modern bank when you hear players are they need opportunities to justify themselves. And the first player, we are looking at 5 players our Asante Kotoko. They need an opportunity to justify themselves, especially in the man table with them, if only they are fit. 5 players. And the first player on the list is Asante Shadra Ado, another number 5. When he started the season, Ado played some of the matches, and to me, I was impressed with his performance, especially because the first game against Heart of Lions. Decent performance, and Shadra Ado put tuning up. Okotoa against Baby and by the 2 matches coach decided to change things and introduce Arizeze in the next match. From then, you are not seeing Shadra Ado in the 20-man squad and continue making the bench. But I believe that since you Richmond Lamte free some matches up, the player from where I sit, when given enough opportunity, everything outgrow no ama Richmond Lamte adequate competition to me. Asante Shadra Ado at the number 10 position. And that is what I believe. So today we are doing an analysis of the top 5 players that need an opportunity, need more playing time, if only they are fit to justify themselves to the Asante Kotoko fans. And we started off with Asante Shadra Ado, a young boy signed from a Division 2 side. He is a number 10, an offensive midfielder. And I believe, sir, Coach Ogum, or boy anymore, he would justify himself and prove to all of us that he's a good player. And on the number 5 on my list, in terms of players that need an opportunity, if only they are fit. Now, the next player on the list is Asante Rocky Jamna. Now, last season, Obi Asante Kotoko Players season, Ope player Bakopa under Abdullah Ghazali, no born home of them Rocky Jamna. Now, I agree with the coach as to why I Jamna been boy Rocky, because on the Kotoko adequate preseason, or because no or Chirowasi. And also coach for Biaba our new methods or the back kind of game no. And before so you play over my chance, say ben bobo ni be pan say what the basics nase. And if you rush a young boy into the setup, not standard or set man whole last season no, when tini out to us our standard and so now a drop pa automatically on create a brilliant first impression which will introduce pressure will play also. Into every decent coach may decide to say such a player may rush out member time nothing basis nothing with training now about pre-season friendlies nibia about a midweek friendlies nibia, and when you become fit you have proper match fitness now not tactical basis coach in a chair no be chance, because when you watch the Kotoko midfield, Michael change Jamna and settle Andy Andrews in team and settle here. So players are on my show a bit of consistency, average and very good performance. Richmond Lamte on Asante friend Sharif Mohammed, which still leaves room for one central midfielder to complete the midfield triangle. And Rocky Jamna last season was okay enough to start, and he was scoring. Or talent, or quality. So I don't have a problem with the coach and he decides to be slow. But watching the performance and the standard that players be setting in the midfield, it looks like when given the chance, you can't trust Rocky Jamna to do more and even be better than them. So yes, I believe Onya a chance, just like Shadra Ado, from where I sit. In the 2 matches when disappointing on home. So I believe Rocky Jamna a chance, and when given the chance, he can prove to us whether he is the answer to the last player to complete the midfield triangle, or we should keep searching. Into players are man TB with me, and a man TB with me. As I say, coach more chance. If only they are fit tactically and physically, that's all more chance. The Otoso 4, Asante, your friend Rocky Jamna. Now, number 3 on the list, Enoch Morrison. Being someone who have monitored Morrison from Kimfei's Urban, he need to work on his tactical discipline, which is very necessary. His mental toughness and his tactical discipline. And you can't send yet here. Send you observe you who can tactical discipline and mental toughness. I know as a player you would want to prove a point, but if you watch him, okay, in Kotoko against Adriana Brian Fage free mona, the Obamuni say, Oba pass no say na. The body language it sends a signal of someone who feels defeated. That is mental toughness. Because there are some players, we've seen it with Sadio Mane, we've seen it. Sadio Mane, for instance. Oba pass no say na. His next line of action is to press the defender and win back the ball. So Enoch Morrison should work on these 2 things. Now, under different managers, there will be different systems on where you so. Maybe a player you so can face will be different from a coach person you so Kotoko. Therefore, you should be tactical, fit to adapt to whatever strategy a coach in the person or the ball. And if you don't adapt to those strategies, it will become difficult for the coach to use you because coach need per resource. And the coach need trans no who ni pa at the end of our channel. Waiting at TN who ni ye is so be use a person over you. So you might have the name, but you'll be on the bench, or you might not even make the 20-man squad, depending on your understanding of the coach's philosophy and your ability to execute the work a coach in their mouth or field. Therefore, I believe when he gets the chance, he can do something. But as an individual, he should be working on himself enough whenever opportunity may be grab on. Because Kotoko against Adriana, Morrison did not grab that 45 minutes opportunity. No, one grab it. It was an average performance, nothing extraordinary, nothing different from the name Fege. And when you force the coach to bring back the old player and eliminate what chances have been. Danlad Ibrahim came back after Ferry Kasai in the Kotoko. Any baby any goal stars match. Danlad grabbed the opportunity. What was so? We've talked about Sharif Mohammed. We've talked about Kalu Atara. The coach is willing to give you an opportunity if only you can get the job done. But I still think, say, Enoch Morrison ain't enough chances to prove himself. And he's number 3 on the list. Now, number 4 on the list, Abrante Feno. Number 2, rather, Julius Ofori Ziggy. We about 3 matches. Kotoko friendly Baku Joso. And a first game against Heart of Lions. And a weekend you'll be against Bechim, which is still not enough from where I sit. I will not begrudge the coach, especially with Abrantia, FN Julius Ofori, because we were proud. And why I'm not talking about Justice Blame money and then some of the players were injured. So a prime may be a man in that opportunity in the board. But I still think that if he's fully fit, he is one player that the coach should give him a chance. Give him more playing time. And I think so the new light Barber Shekotkov anymore. He's very comfortable on the ball and he's able to hold on to the ball, turn and take on defenders. So I see him as a half 10, half 9. If the wingers around him are that brilliant, or maybe tonight a player who leading the attack there, but one share he'll be creating chances for the wingers to captain and score. I think he might not be exceptional in the air like Kalu, but on the ball, no, there are different dynamics and dimension that game as compared to the Kalu Atara. And his confidence alone is enough to take the team to the next level. And I think that if Julius Ofori Ziggy is fitter, he needs more playing time. Before I go to the number 1, players that deserve honorable mention, Obi said Justice Blay, Sharif Mohammed, defender, for instance, who deserve a mention when it comes to players that need chances. I'll not talk about Bernard Sumwa because I know certain things behind the scenes. When you're so fit, so I'll not push him. But the number 1 player, if he's fully fit, the Kotoko team, so more playing time. Babaya. Yes, Babaya. We've all seen what he can do. Kotoko first game against Out of Line, so Obed Manchana for saying is a free. But he gave one pass that splitted the defense. And that was a solid top class chance creature. So that pass is now Kotoko for one penny say push street and then the Apopon Chen. He has that. He scored a goal against Karela. And in that match, he won the man of the match. And so couple the next game at Pra Ebayan. Still, as at the medical team, any green light. So between you soon and now someone to me soon. But from where I sit, the number one player that should be given enough chance to carry the Kotoko team to the next level, if only he is fit. Babaya. Into Maka Shadra, Maka Rocky Jama, Maka Enoch Morrison, Maka Julius Oforizigi, but I believe it's Babaya, number one. And I'm an honorable mention, no? Me ma obi say Justice Blay, me mo obi say Sheriff Mohammed defender, but Babaya and Ben Asumwa. But Babaya is the number one player. I think Peter Aqua is doing over Babaya is better than Aqua. Mukwala on the wings, Babaya will be better than Mukwala on the wings on any day. And or you play about Kobe ginger fans. They say consider any player do their thing, figure a penalty box, you fair on canning and penalty in engine my what was Adian? And he's the player engine him so betting as Adian. So we are still doing the analysis. What do you think? Which players deserve more playing time if only they are fit? Don't forget to add that one. Because the player is not fit, the coach needs to for them. But I think Babaya is a player when fit should be given more playing time. This is Obed TV and we'll meet again. Drop your comment. Bye-bye.